Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that could change the way you think about energy in your home or on the go. We found this incredible guide, the DIY Off-Grid Solar Power Bible, and we've added a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the DIY Off-Grid Solar Power Bible? This comprehensive guide is a complete resource for anyone looking to design, install, and maintain solar energy systems, specifically tailored for tiny homes, cabins, RVs, and boats. It's packed with knowledge, making it ideal for both beginners and those with some experience in solar energy systems. Now, let's talk about some of the highlights of this guide. First and foremost, it's a 10-in-1 package, which means you're not just getting one guide, but a collection of essential resources all focused on solar power. The book covers everything from the basics of solar energy, including how solar panels work, to advanced topics like battery storage and system maintenance. Another significant feature is its step-by-step instructions that make it accessible for everyone, regardless of your technical background. The guide also includes practical diagrams and illustrations, which can help you visualize the installation process and understand the system components better. One of the standout aspects of this book is its updated content. Solar technology is rapidly evolving, and this guide reflects the latest advancements and best practices in off-grid solar systems. You'll find information on the latest products on the market, as well as tips on how to choose the right components for your specific needs. Now, who is this guide suitable for? If you're someone who's interested in living sustainably or reducing your dependence on the grid, this book is perfect for you. It's also great for DIY enthusiasts who love taking on projects themselves. Whether you're living in a tiny home, a mobile RV, or even a cabin in the woods, this guide will provide you with the knowledge you need to harness solar energy effectively. Let's also consider some practical use cases. Imagine you've decided to live in a tiny home or an RV. With this guide, you can design a solar power system that meets your energy needs, allowing you to enjoy modern conveniences even in remote locations. Or perhaps you have a cabin that you visit on weekends. This guide will help you set up a reliable power source that can keep your lights on and your devices charged without needing to rely on traditional electricity. What if you're a boater? This guide is also invaluable for you. It walks you through the specifics of setting up solar power on your boat, ensuring that you have the energy you need for navigation, communication, and leisure while out on the water. In conclusion, the DIY Off-Grid Solar Power Bible is an essential resource for anyone interested in solar energy systems for small living spaces. Its comprehensive content, practical instructions, and updated information make it a must-have for anyone looking to embrace an off-grid lifestyle. Thanks for watching.